What is going on YouTube? It is I, Devontae Graves here, bringing you a leased ad space full-on review here. I just wanted to make this video just to tie up some loose ends about what is leased ad space, how to get some good, cheap traffic for how to get the most out of this cheap traffic here, which is also traffic that can convert. So as you can see right here, this is an ad right here. Leased ad space has like when you log in. It's an ad that gets presented to you as somebody's offer, and I like it because it could be this could be your capture page right here, and it even has an option to where you can even open the offer in a new window. So yeah, it can give you if you want to participate, this could be your capture page, getting you more exposure to your website. So let me just proceed to lease ad space, and as you can see, I have $14 worth of commissions to date. This is Bitcoin that is instantly into my account as soon as I get a sale or a referral. As soon as someone purchases a traffic package, I will get an instant commission, and I will show you how that works right here. So you can go to let's go to how the advertising works before we talk about the affiliate program. You can see they got that ad service that I just talked about. They have different traffic packages, and each traffic package comes with the benefits right here. So you get all this in one package. You get all this right here in one package, in one traffic package. All right, so it's free to create an account. You can post blogs here. You can be active on this account and not have to spend any money. But if you were looking to get some cheap traffic for your online business, then I would really encourage you to buy a traffic package. Um, yeah, because you get 8,000 impressions for banner ads, you get 4,000 impressions for text ads, and you even get a solo ad, a reoccurring solo ad once every 28 days. And then you also get a placement. You can place one free per day in the ad board, which we will talk about there in a second, what the ad board is. But yeah, you're getting all this for a very good price, and you're getting a lot of exposure and opportunities for exposure if you want to purchase a traffic package, and if you want to start generating some cheap leads to your online business. And you have to buy one package at a time. You can't just skip down here and buy this package. You have to go one by one and purchase the package one by one and work your way up. Because you get one solo ad every 24 hours is pretty amazing. That's pretty great. Like, and you're getting all these impressions, all these opportunities to promote your business and brand yourself. And you getting a lot of opportunities here to make that happen. So with buying traffic here. So this is where I really want to hammer before I will talk about everything else that leased ad space can offer, like the ad board and everything. But I really just wanted to dive into the traffic packages because you're really getting a great deal and a great opportunity to gain a lot of exposure for yourself and for your business for a low price. So definitely check out the traffic packages. They will be in the description to join Leased ad space. And again, you can just join just to look around. You don't have to buy anything. You can just join, and you can post on the ad board as well. And this is the ad board right here. The ad board is a place where you can just it's like a shout out or like a post, people talking about their businesses, their various businesses that they're in. You see people are very active on Leased ad space. These are all within the past hour, people talking about their business. And this could be you right here. This could be you and your profile picture talking about your business. If you want more details, go to his link, blase blah. Let's go back into how it works. I want to dive into the affiliate program now, because they really do have a great affiliate program as well. Because I really love how you can get instant Bitcoin commissions. That's really powerful, really powerful. So you can look how to make money. There is some requirements if you want to become an affiliate. Things have changed over, because I've been with Leased ad space for about a good year and a half, maybe like last year, And things have changed. Like the traffic packages were only $7. Now they're like $9. Was the first package. The Pearl package is $9 now, as to last year when it's only $7. And again, last year it was no fee to become an affiliate. So that's just something that I've taken advantage of. Me coming here early when they didn't charge to become an affiliate for this, for Leased ad space. Here's the commission rates, because you only get a commission if you refer someone to buy a traffic package. So here's the requirements. Just a $10 startup fee. It's a one-time fee. No, that's just a one-time fee. No monthly fees to become an affiliate for Leased ad space. That's great. There's no monthly fees, and this is the real deal. Like you're getting so much room for advertising with just a $9 package. So take advantage, guys. Take advantage. If you are in a business that you want to promote, that you want to gain some leads to, then Leased ad space is the perfect place to start, because you're getting a lot of advertising for a low cost, and traffic here converts. Traffic here really does convert. And you can promote various things on here. You can promote a traffic source, like you can promote Udemy solo ads on Leased ad space. You can even promote your business, like the last year being broke plan, lead lightning, or whatever that you may be in. But yeah, I would stick to promoting your business and some traffic sources. So I would promote Chris Clicks, Udemy, traffic for me, like a place MLM leads. Like so, wherever you buy traffic from, and if you buy traffic from a place like MLM leads, they give you a referral link that you can promote, so you can earn commissions as well. So you can promote Leased ad space on. You can excuse me. You can promote MLM leads or Udemy solo ads on Leased ad space, because people are looking for traffic, and why not promote a traffic source on a traffic platform? Yeah, that would really help you guys out if you were looking to make money online in either your traffic sources or your primary business. Yeah, you can just really dive into the advertising, because this is a very good deal for advertising. I'm gonna go back to the leaderboards or the ad board here, and you can see who's been getting commissions. There's been people getting commissions, because people don't get commissions here every day. When you do get a commission, it's like a shout out for yourself, because it's like, hey, Wayne got a referral. Check out his profile. You can see what he's into, what businesses that he promotes on Leased ad space. So this could be your profile. He has his information here. And yeah, it's like, so if you get a commission here, it's like you getting a shout out as well, because people can see who's getting referrals and who's making money within Leased ad space. So that's also very powerful, that you can get like a shout out for when you do something good, like make a sale to everybody in the platform can see that you made that sale. So they can probably wanna reach out to you, or see what you're doing, or at least like contact you on Skype or whatever, or even just add you on Facebook or whatever the case may be. So again, it's just more exposure to you, yourself, and your business. So take advantage of Leased ad space. This is a great platform. Great platform. I'm gonna go to my dashboard. You can even review your referrals here. I'm probably gonna block this out, but yeah, as you can see, there's people that are active. They show you like when the last time they signed in and things like that. So that's very powerful as well. And yeah, I have earned $14 to date. You can even see they brought the Pearl package when it was at $7, so I got a commission of $7, and it's direct member to member payments. So that's also very powerful. And when somebody buys a traffic package, you get an instant Bitcoin commission. So yeah, you can just plug in your Bitcoin address from your blockchain or Coinbase wallet. Just plug that in. Whenever you get a sale, you can just withdraw that instantly to your Bitcoin wallet. So I believe that is all I really wanted to talk about the traffic package more than anything because it's really a great deal, really a great deal. Take advantage of this great platform. If you want to contact me, all the links and my contact information will be in the description. And thanks for watching. See you on the inside.